Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on the function to alert us when phone is picked up with a vibration that we have unread message or a notification. So where to find this option? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for advanced features, and in motions and gestures, we have our option. Alert when phone picked up. So your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing a call or a message. Let's turn it on right here, and that's it. No need to save. We just go back to our home screen, and that's it. This function is now enabled. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.